Facing a critical Windows failure due to the Sysmain.dll DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's implement the official repair path today. This DLL file is the core service library for Superfetch, now Sysmain, in Windows. It monitors application usage patterns to preload frequently used data into system memory, significantly improving application launch speed. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open command prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc scan now to restore core system components, including the Sysmain.dll. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Sysmain module file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of the Sysmain.dll. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. To reduce uncertainty around library management, the diagnostic tool below includes informational content on synchronizing the Sysmain module. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved your Windows OS core workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.